Hi, good morning! So, I ordered via GrabMart kasi wala ng beef si Kaimu today and I forgot to order from Deli Chick kahapon. So, meron tayong beef caldereta cut and beef mechado cut. Yan, frozen pa sila. So, I'm gonna leave them out muna para later, makakain niya ni Mumu! Hi, Mumu! Oh, my mom! Is it all for me, Mommy? Yes, Baba. Oh, you like it? Kasi it's cold. Smell. Is that for Boo Boo? Yeah, Mama. Uy, 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 uy. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You're so cute. Hi, baby. Love you. So, kagabi, nag-edit ako ng vlog, pero parang hindi ko nasabi na I ordered a vacuum cleaner. I ordered that online since, parang na-vlog ko to, pero hindi ko maalala eh. Wala yung mga clips eh. But basically, nasira yung union na vacuum cleaner ko. Nag-detach kasi yung isang tube niya sa body itself and hindi ko siya makakabit ulit kasi the glue fell apart for some reason. Tapos, yung vacuum ko from Japan, nagka-crack na yung base. So, yeah, it's really difficult to vacuum with it falling apart as well. So, yeah, I decided to order a ROIDMI F8. Oh, I'm so excited. This is like an advanced purchase for Christmas, ha, Bubu? Excuse lang ni Mama yan eh. And then I have more packages to open later on today. Where's your cookie? Where's your cookie, Boo? And today, I'm craving once again for Bozico beef or Chingolo burger. And I ordered also yung beef empanada, which is the ube cheese beef empanada. This has been all over social media. Yeah, and I really wanna give it a try. Pero grabe, alam mo, I'm not a lover of burgers. Pero when I tried the burger from Chingolo Deli, oh my gosh. It has the potato bun. Oh my! He got sleepy sa kwento ni Mommy. My goodness. It's so good. Grabe. So, I tried this the first time a few days ago, nung birthday ni Kaimu. Then today, second time. Sobrang sarap ng bun niya. And it's made fresh, kaya sobrang sarap niya talaga. Love it. If there's one burger I could eat every day, this one. So good. Let's take a bite nga. Check natin. Mainit pa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. That's yummy. Meron akong bagong pinapanood sa Netflix. It's new. It's Emily in Paris. I love it so much. As in, kakalabas lang niya in episode 5 na ako. Love it. Okay, we're gonna eat, and then we have some coffee over here, and then work starts after this. Oh my, the burger stealer! Let's watch.
Okay, so the chef has a girlfriend, and guess who it is? All I do is play guessing.
Look at the outfits, wow.
Use your words.
A little interruption. Dumating na yung order kong side table from Furniture Source. Are you happy, Boo? Oh my goodness. Oh no, that's Mama's food. Hi. Down. Oh my gosh, I am in love with it. So ito yung taas niya. And then you put this on top. Oh my goodness, it's perfect, Baba. But we have to put in the screws. Okay, tapos ko nang ilagay yung mga screws. Now it's like this. Pwede ba itago yung toys ni Kaimu sa loob? Oh, it looks perfect, Boo Boo. Look at that pop of color! Done with lunch now. Time to edit the podcast para ma-upload ko today. Alright, I am done editing and uploading. Now I just have to wait for this episode to move to Spotify. That's gonna take a few minutes lang. So before or while waiting, I am gonna go and take Kaimu on. What's this, Mumu? Yeah, he knows. He knows, Mama. I know the signal for walkie-walkie. Yeah. We're gonna go. Down, boy. Tagal mo naghintay. I'm sorry. We're gonna go now, okay? Finally, Mom! Alright. Let's go. Tapos na kami mag-walk ni Kaimu. I have my yoga mat over here kasi I'm gonna do some stretching. And then tomorrow, we go back to doing bar. So today, stretching lang muna. Hi, Mumu! And I'm listening to the newest podcast episode.
Yung ano niya,
on the Marshall
UXBRIDGE
voice.
She smells down there because
Yes!
it smells down there depending.
Alright, so I ended up doing the 10-minute booty bar. Grabe, I am sweating so much, but that was such a fun session. Now it's time to take a shower. So upon opening, you will see the manual and then yung mga brushes natin. So here we have the mattress brush, we have the rolling brush, power adapter, and accessories. Oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. Kaimu! Oh my goodness, Mom! Mama's new toy. Yeah, Mama has a toy. It's a vacuum toy. Mommy! So nice. Alright, so ang kulit-kulit ni Kaimu. Baba, don't touch! Hey! And I basically got everything out of their wrapping. So, ito na yung vacuum. This is what the vacuum looks like. And then, ang dami niyang attachments of all sorts. This one is for the mattress. Ang dami. I won't bore you with all the parts and everything. Kaimu, don't touch it! Ooh. Excuse me! I can't see! Excuse me! We have the adapter. And then, that thing. Kasi pwede siyang i-mount sa wall. Yeah, that's it. Set up ko lang and then I'll try it out. Remove the electrostatic daw. This is the film. Alright, so I am unable to use it pa kasi hindi pa siya naka-charge. So, it's still charging. May flashing light dito. Nasa 1 bar pa lang siya. We're just gonna let that charge. I read the manual, of course, kasi kailangan yan. Yeah, and the rest of the parts are there. Love it. A lot of bananas a few days ago, and then today I finally brought them out of the freezer, and then I'm gonna make some banana oatmeal cookies for myself and of course for Mumu. Where's Mumu? Hi, Mumu. Wala na akong baking sheet, so I'm gonna use some aluminum foil. I think it's okay, right? I have my turbo broiler over here. First batch. working out. That's 35 minutes with Coach Kel. Full body bar. Whew. I'm sorry. Bawi si Mami tomorrow, Bob. No. Bawi tayo tomorrow, ha? Tomorrow pa. Tomorrow. Not today. Okay? Good boy. Here are the oatmeal banana cookies. And kumain na si Kaimu. He loves them. I'm gonna try adding some peanut butter. Do you like them, Baba? You want one more? Oh my goodness. Kaimu wants one more, Mom. Kaimu versus oatmeal banana cookie. Yum yum.
Actually, I'm not dating at all anymore.
Here we go. Yum yum. I'm watching Jerome's vlog when he went to Peru. Oh my gosh, I am on day number 4 na. Naka-4 na video na ako. Oh my god, I can't wait to visit Peru.
So packing lightly is important.